Hello, welcome to another Excel at the Office video. My name's Adrian of ito.blog, and here I'm going to show you how to stop the flash fill function. And it came to me when I was doing some work categorizing countries, as I show you here, whereby if I want, for example, to manually choose my categories for these country names. So for example, I want to just have UK, France, so it shows quicker on a graph. What will happen as a default in Excel for Windows is it adds this flash fill function. So when you start typing it, you press enter and it updates everything, and you might not want that, and then you have to delete all these, and then I'll go, okay, I'll carry on doing it manually. Germany, Italy, oh, flash fills come up again. I don't want that. That can be quite annoying, because for example I might want to have in here to manually type other Europe rather than just have other for my categories. So yeah, if you want to turn flash fill off, you go to File and in Options, and what you'll find is you'll find the flash fill options in this lovely suite of options called Advanced. Now there are literally hundreds of options in here. However, luckily the flash fill option is right at the top, so under autocomplete, which can be useful for individual cells, the automatically flash fill option is right underneath that. So you just uncheck that box, press OK, and now when I type manually my categories for brevity, it won't be automatically flash filling. It will give me the ability to just do that manually. For here I've just done a random number between, because this is just some dummy data. Now I find it quite useful going to use flash fill occasionally, but not by default. You can still use it even when it's turned off, and if I just type another category here, France, and if I do want to use flash fill on an ad hoc basis and manually, I'll just go to the Data tab of the ribbon, and under the Data tab there's this little icon for flash fill. So you click that once and that allows you to use it just the once. If, for example, you do want to occasionally use it but you don't want it as your default. And that's how to turn off flash fill and or use it just as and when you need to. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll speak to you another time.